When the simulation first runs, the creature is represented by a red cell. The empty cells are gray, and the food cells are dark red, which means they don't have any food in them just yet. I've got it paused, so I'm going to continue the simulation, and when I do that, you will see the creature start to move and the food cells starting to grow food. The creature and the food cells have horizontal meters at their top. The creature's meter represents how hungry it is, and the food cell's meter represents how much food there is at each cell. The creature wanders around on its own looking for food and will eat the food and will happily do this for as long as you let it. But if you click on the simulation, so the keyboard focus goes to the simulation, you can then use the arrow keys, like I'm doing now, to manually control where the creature goes. So it's getting very hungry, so I better go eat some food. You'll see as it eats food, the food goes away and the creature's hunger goes down. And if I keep on moving then with the keyboard, then I can control where it goes. But if I stop touching the keyboard like I just did for a few seconds, then it'll start moving on its own. And it wanders randomly until it gets next to a food cell, and then it'll go eat the food cells. In this version of the simulation, if the creature reaches its maximum hunger, it doesn't die, it just stays very hungry. In future versions, the creature will actually die.